Okay, so today we're going to be fitting, we have a Nissan Juke Mk1 front lower wishbone. We've got the front bush and rear bush. The rear bush seems to be the main failure bush of this, so we're just going to show you how to fit them today. So on both the bushes, they're very similar, both cotton reel designs that fits into a outer metal housing. You'll notice on this there's only a chamfer leading edge on one side of the tube, and there's also a small groove line as well, which becomes important when it comes to fitting. So what we'll need is something to obviously push this in. So we've got a big washer to sit on top and some sort of tube which we'll put underneath, and we'll pop it in the hydraulic press. Okay, so that's us just going in there. So this groove line round here, what we're going to do is we're going to press that down until it's flush with the top side of the wishbone. So we're just going to keep going. That's us about there. Just take it off. And it should just be sticking through on the bottom side as well. Okay. And then for the actual bush itself, some washing up liquid or tyre soap, anything like that. The bush is symmetrically either side, so it doesn't actually matter which way you fit it round, so either side. I'm just going to put a little bit of washing up liquid on it around that flange. Pop it on the top and take it back to the press. Again, you can do this on a vise if need be, but just for ease since we're here. There's our bush. We'll just make sure it's fully seated, just make sure the flange pops out all the way around, like so. And the last step is fitting in our tube. Just as simple as pushing in and just a tap until flush. Okay. Onto the rear one, exact same process. Again, chamfer, leading chamfer towards the bottom into the radius, and we've got our ring again. So we'll use a bigger tube this time. Go. Okay. And again, just popping out the underside. Go back to here. And again, exact same, the bush is symmetrical, so it doesn't matter which way you fit it. Again, bit of washing up liquid around the flange, just to help ease of fitment. Again, we'll pop it there. Again, these bushes can deflect a lot, so the quicker you do it, the easier it is. Just make sure it's fully seated again all the way around. And then the tube, exactly the same as the front one. And it's ready to be installed back in the car.